Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you and show you step by step how you can add a new user to your account on Smartsheet. So let us dive into this. In the first step, head over to smartsheet.eu and log into your account. In the second step, click into that profile icon in the bottom left and select User Management. Inside your User Management, guys, you will see all users that are currently attached to your account, for example. So you may go through that list, for example, and check the member status and so on and so forth, the last login. And here to the right, for example, click into these three dots to edit the given user and so on and so forth. And here, guys, in the top left, you will see that option, add user. So you may add another one and, for example, add the other user or the new user by entering or typing in the first name, the last name, the associated email address here, and also by assigning a role. For example, you can make the given user a system admin, but only if you have provided information about these three fields here at the top. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you add a second or add more users to your account on Smartsheet. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.